above 28,960, and yesterday's market is opened above 28,994, that is above 28,990s. We expected the market to continue its uptrend. So what we expected is that after above anything, any price action above or a closing above this closing and opening above 28,960 can put the market, gold market, into buying. That is what we expected. So let us see what happened after that. So after the price opening, you can see the market just went up, and again it's testing this key support zone of 29,020. You can see we have marked this as a support zone because after breaking this, the market is providing some support around 29,020, and after taking some support, it is a straight away gain in gold market the opening session. So you can very well notice that the market is consolidating. It is trying to take some support around 29,060 also. Again there is a failure, and the market is dropping again to test this 29,000 again. So you can see very well the market is taking again a support around 29,020. So this provided again 29,020 provided some buying, and you can see the market just gained some buying momentum, and again it is coming down and testing this 29,060 support zone, because after breaking this, now it is acting as a support, and eventually the market went and tested this 29,120, and even above that it went up till 29,135. So you can see after taking some very good support, so initially if you see that the price opening is just above that, so the market went up and it is taking some good support around 29,020. So after the moving higher also, initially the market has provided some good buying momentum, and after that it has come down to test this 29,020 again, and you can see after that from 29,020 the market just went till 29,130. It is a good straight away gain in gold market. You can say it is more than 100 point gains in gold market yesterday. But this 29,120, this and 29,160, you can note this zone very easily, because the previous day the market was taking some heavy resistance around this 29,160, and that pushed the market down till 28,760. You can very well go back to our Monday presentation, and you can see that the weekly chart presentation which we have provided, this 29,120 and 29,160 provided some very serious resistance in gold market last week, that pushed the market till 28,760 on Friday. So let us see what happened after entering this zone. But there are few cases if the price need to sustain above this zone, like what happened. You can see the price will take a pattern like this. The market will form a pattern like this if it is going to take some support around this, but you can very well notice that it is taking a resistance. So let us see after what happened after that. The market was taking a resistance, again it is entering into the zone, and it tried to move above this zone, and it is also trying to take some support around 29,060, and in order to put some closing above 29,160, or if there is any closing above this 29,060 and between this zone, can indicate the market can move still higher. But let us see after taking two resistance around within this major key resistance zone, let us see what happened after that. You can see the market was struggling to stay above that pushed the market down. You can see there was a huge selling happened in gold market after that. So you can very well notice that it is a very huge selling that pushed the market till 28,860 zone. So you can very well notice that the failure to stay above this 29,120 pushed the market down, and you can see after breaking this intermediate, because it is providing this 29,060 was providing some good platform for the market to move higher. So a failure to sustain above 29,060 and a failure to sustain above 29,020 pushed the market down, and even it broke this. You can see we are targeting this zone 28,960 and 920 for this week, and it has clearly broken this zone, and it has come down for selling. So let us see after coming down also, it is taking some good resistance around the major key zone which we are following. The market entered the key decision zone, and you can see it has not cleared the zone. If the price was staying above 29,960, we can say that the price can move higher. Unless until then, you can see the level of selling it had again from 29,020. It is a straight away 100 point drop again. It came down till 28,820. So you can notice that the market has dropped till 28,820. It is a terrible drop in gold market. That is the major reason why we always say while trading in gold you should be very strong on support and resistance. Market will indicate it will be slow and it will provide you some opportunities to take and reverse your trading decision. You can see that what has happened in yesterday. It is taking some good support and it has provided a very good profit margin, but a failure to sustain that push the market so push the market down. So that is the level of risk we have while trading in gold. So always you need to have some sufficient funds for trading in gold market, because considering the market volatility, it is always if you have good profit margin and if you are strong on support and resistance, and even if we are providing some good analysis about the support and resistance, particularly in the gold market, you can always notice that it is providing wherever we have drawn this blue color line that indicates the support and resistance, because we are not drawing this line every day. These are the lines we draw in the past that is guiding us for the future also. So we should also have this practice of drawing whenever the price is entering some major zones like this. We should be very careful, because booking profit and taking our profit is also an important part. So today what we are expecting, when you consider the price closing and opening for yesterday, you can see the market closed around 28,860. So the opening, you can see the opening is around 29,000. So this is the opening, and you can see, and the closing is below the previous day's thing, and also the closing is below, you can see 28,900. It is also below all these average closing. So it clearly indicates the market is going down. So gold market couldn't sustain this, because if you see what happened in the previous week, the market was taking some huge resistance around this zone. So the closing below this zone has clearly indicated that the price can move further down in gold market. But again we are going to target the same zone of 28,920 and 28,960. We are not going to take a huge risk in gold market going for averaging till this major resistance zone of 29,020, just for a simple reason that considering the rupee value. So nowadays commodity market always depends nowadays hugely depending upon the Indian rupee value. Rupee staying above 56, it is going to put some pressure in gold market for buying. So that is the reason why we want to be on the safer side. What we can do today is that today we are expecting gold to open more or less near the same zone, or it will be just below the previous day's price closing. So what we expect is that the price opening is going to be below the previous day's price closing, which can be around 28,840. So it is going to be within the price closing and within the low we are expecting the market to open. That clearly indicates that if the opening is down, it clearly indicates the price can move further down. But the risk zone which we are going to take, again we are going to target this 28,920 and 28,960. Unless until we see anything above 28,960 and a price closing above 28,960, we cannot confirm that the price in gold market can move higher. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And the target zones, you may well know that 28,760, which was the low that was created with the previous week. Any closing below this can push the market further down. So be careful while trading in gold market. The clients who are having some buying, so you please don't place stop loss. Always go with the stop loss and always book some profit in gold, and continuously monitor the support and resistance. And if you have this disciplined practice, because gold is a very good commodity to make huge profit, but you should constantly monitor that. So what we expect today is that this is a zone again we are going to target, because unless until if we get some price action above and closing above the zone, which indicates that the gold can move further down. So this is what we are expecting in gold market to happen today. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and follow the pattern formation very carefully in gold market. Thanks a lot for watching our video, and take care. Bye. Happy trading.